I'm an optimist. I believe that God wants our world to succeed. All we have to do is treat every human being equally.
How much does this baby weigh?
He's the Hollywood Rabbi because he's as charismatic as a movie star.
We had the entire entertainment community from the beginning.
Our two twins. He had a tremendous sense of humor. I'll still laugh at some of the stories that I've heard 1,000 times.
He's such a charming, loose kind of spirit.
Even now at 84, he has that fire in the belly.
We were not interested in influencing Jews only. We have to speak to the world.
If Spinal Tap was England's loudest band, I used to kid him that he was the world's loudest rabbi. Because when he gets off and starts going, it's loud and it's great.
There are people that move mountains, and Rabbi Hier is a mountain mover. We were all brought up on this notion of never again. Marvin Hier comes along and goes, there's actually one step better than that, and it's tolerance.
You can't say I'm a Republican or I'm a Democrat and I will never acknowledge any achievements that have been done by the opposite party. That's ridiculous. That's not America. I've always tried to find the humanity in people. I spent my entire life promoting tolerance. We have to plant the seeds that future generations will be able to benefit from. And someone will build the idea that without tolerance, we will not have a world.